Hello friends, day 23, and I've only come a short distance today, just from Hay Bluff down into Hay on Wye, and I wanted to do that because I really love Hay on Wye. It's my favourite town in the UK. There's so much here. It's got a great Indian restaurant, it's got a fabulous cinema. It's got so many beautiful shops, and that's because there's no supermarkets around. And of course, it's got more bookshops than probably the whole of Scotland, maybe. But it's just a fabulous town. So I've spent the afternoon in Hay on Wye, and I've found a B&B to stay in tonight before heading off tomorrow. So let's have a look at the views as I came down off Hay Bluff. If you haven't been to the Brecon Beacons, you really must. It's just absolutely stunning. Hay on Wye is a book lover's dream town, and very, very good for music lovers as well. So many record shops, it's amazing. And even this fabulous music shop, look at these guitars, beautiful detail on them. Such a quirky town as well. Angie's serves you tea, cake and insults with an extra apostrophe. It also has a brilliant cinema which seats 48 people in super comfort, and you can even buy a glass of cider. As you can see, there are bookshops of every type you could possibly imagine. I had a nice healthy chickpea curry for lunch, and then went and treated myself to an ice cream sundae at Shepherd's, where you've got to, haven't you?